All right, we're gonna talk about this a little bit. This damn thing is absolutely ridiculous, how it came. But I was messing around with it, and I was messing and tinkering. I never had a knife where you could adjust the lockup and the detent without having to mess with the lock bar, and so I thought that was pretty neat. So. But then I was noticing, I was feeling this edge here. I was like, damn, that's a really good hollow grind. So I was looking down at it some more, and it's gotta be like 12 thousandths, something like that, or less. I don't have my calipers. They broke, so I need to get a new pair. They broke like a week ago. I know it's bad for somebody who makes knives, but I just wanted to show how good of a performer this damn thing is. But be careful when you're adjusting the detent and the lockup. It is very finicky, and if you go too far, it'll feel like you broke the lock, and then it'll have a bunch of lash, like you'll shake it, and it won't be locked up good. So just be careful with that. There's a diagram online that shows which one is which. I went ahead and marked mine with a Sharpie, so I know which one's which in case I never see that diagram again. But yeah, I just wanted to show you, watch how good this thing feather sticks. This is mimosa wood, I think. Yeah, it's not like hard at all, and plus it's kind of new, but I've had it sitting out for about a month. And it takes no pressure at all to get those bigger curls. But if you put just a little bit of light pressure, it just makes nice, neat, little small curls all day. And then the edge is so stable. I mean, I can just go right all through that. I was hacking on it a little bit earlier, and it's got very, very good bite. I'll be damned if this thing ain't a good carving knife. I mean, I could probably be through this whole thing in like a minute if I wanted to. Less than that, maybe, if I was gouging real hard. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to show how deep this thing goes through, like, and stable this lock is. It's not necessarily comfortable when you're yanking down on it like that, but it's not terrible either. All right. And that, watch this. That is a $60, $70 knife. Well, I think it was a little bit more than that, but whatever. It's not $900, I'll tell you that much. Super impressed with this. I'm loving it.